There. That should keep the fan from falling down again.
Thanks, Raph. Oh, not again. My stupid neighbor.
Your neighbor keeps knocking the fan down?
Yeah, it's driving me crazy. Usually, it's just a lot of clip popping, but lately, it sounds like a dinosaur on a trampoline.
Oh, no. You can't have that. I'm gonna go set this guy straight.
Now, don't make a scene. You're not gonna make a scene. You're gonna make a scene? Don't make a scene.
Raphael doesn't make a scene. He's just going to politely give the new tenant his perspective on the noise situation. And to make sure that neighbor is not scared, a disguise. Excuse me, kind neighbor. I was hoping to have a friendly word with you about...
I told you, Carol, I do not want to meet your daughter.
Baron Draxum? I don't know what kind of evil plan you're up to, but...
My hunches, get off me! Stand back!
Raph, what are you doing?
Mikey? What are you doing?
Dinosaur trampoline always cheers you up, so I thought I'd try it on Baron Draxum.
I do feel my confusion being replaced by joy.
Not me. Mikey, why the heck are you helping Baron Draxum?
Baron Draxum needs the help of no one!
Oh, really? When I found you, were you or were you not living on the street?
Maybe.
Powerless, because your soul got sucked out by the dark armor. Wanted for crimes in the hidden city? And who set you up in style?
Dr. Positive.
That's right, Dr. Positive. The one who's gonna turn you from bad guy to glad guy. From sad heat to happy sheep. From devil to A-level, baby.
Mikey, what are you thinking? Draxum is the sworn enemy of the Mad Dogs.
But he's also the one who created us, and that makes him family. And once he feels like he's a part of our family, his goodness will shine.
That's the most ridiculous thing I ever...
Oh, great! They're here.
Happy housewarming, Mr. and Mrs. O'Neill. What is this? I thought we were finally meeting a prosperance.
No, apparently we're helping Baron Draxum get his groove back.
Called it.
Oh, no. I do not make my famous green bean casserole for my mortal enemy.
Whoa! He's not our enemy anymore. He's family. And once he gets some of those warm and fuzzy family feels, it'll crack that icy shell and we'll be knee-deep in sunshine. Isn't this nice? When's the last time we all got together like this, huh?
The time Draxum dropped me off a building? No, actually, I think it was when he ambushed us at the Botanical Garden.
No. Baseball stadium. Dark armor tried to destroy humanity.
That's right. Good time.
Would somebody please pass the cream corn?
We don't have any cream corn.
Well, I figured the guy who turned me into a rat could just mutate the potatoes into cream corn!
Dad! We're here for a nice family dinner, not to fight over who mutated who.
No, he's right. If I had my powers, I could create the most loathsome creamed corn beast ever seen. Fear King Corn! Those fool humans would shriek in terror.
Fool humans. As the only human here, I take offense at that.
But why? You are fools. You put sunglasses on your dogs, you take photos of your food, and do not get me started on Carol.
At least we're not fool enough to jump into a suit of dark armor without reading the owner's manual.
Draxabald, what you need is to spend some quality time with humans so you can see why we like them so much. And I know just where to do it. Who's coming with me and Draxum to Alberto Land?
Huh? Why me?